Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the Philips Zoom In-Office Whitening Kit. Today we'll walk you through each component and its role in achieving a brighter, whiter smile. First, we start with vitamin E oil. This oil is applied to the lips to keep them moisturized and protected during the whitening procedure. Next, we use face gauze and a cheek retractor. The gauze pad is placed around the mouth to protect the area from the UV light. The cheek retractor is used to gently pull back the lips and cheeks, giving the dentist full access to your teeth and gums while keeping soft tissues away from the whitening gel. Now this is the gingival barrier. This is a protective layer that covers the gums to shield them from the whitening gel. The barrier is applied using a precision tip, ensuring a thorough and even coverage to prevent irritation or sensitivity. The next step involves the whitening accelerator and gel. The accelerator is applied to the teeth first, enhancing the effectiveness of the whitening gel. Together, these two components work to break down the stains and discoloration on the enamel. We use a specialized brush to apply the whitening gel evenly across the surface of each tooth. Throughout the procedure, a suction tip is used to remove excess saliva and keep the treatment area dry. Finally, we use the Philips Zoom Light Guide. This guide directs the light from the lamp precisely onto the teeth, activating the whitening gel and accelerating the whitening process. With these steps, the Philips Zoom In-Office Kit delivers professional-grade whitening results quickly and effectively. Experience the confidence of a brighter smile with Philips Zoom.